Okay, I've got the Mars lander repaired. Have clear props on it right now. I'll put folding props on it a little later if this testing goes okay. The camera's going to be around my neck, so not going to have much of a good view most of the flying. Arming. Okay, throttling up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And it's flying. It's working fine. Yep, it's flying well. And got a little too close. I'm not trying loiter mode yet. Okay, I'm going to get a little further away. Going to go up. I'm going to try loiter. And so far so good. I think loiter's working. Okay, so I'm holding it by hand right now. So it's drifting a little bit. And it's working pretty nice right now. You know, loiter is holding it pretty well. Okay. Gotta maneuver it back. Yeah, it's flying pretty nicely. Yeah, I miss flying this model. Okay, so I'm going to let go of the camera now. I can fly it a little more. Yeah, it flies away nicely. And turning it back towards me here. And it's up about 60 feet right now. Now I'm descending. Throttle up. Okay. Coming towards me. Moving back. Coming back over here. Yeah. Okay. I think this is a good test flight. And yeah. So I'm going to let it land. All right. Thank you, McG, for the parts. We'll be flying it near them.